Today, we review the 5 best smoke and carbon monoxide detector that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Oh yes, since you're a new channel, don't forget to subscribe to us, and if you're on YouTube, click the alert notification as it will help us grow. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. The Kidde KNCOSMBA is a battery-operated, 2 AA batteries included, combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm that protects you and your family from 2 deadly threats. This alarm uses ionization sensing technology to detect smoke and carbon monoxide. The KNCOSMBA has an LED that flashes to indicate the presence of smoke or carbon monoxide, and the unit will sound an alarm to alert you of the danger. The Kidde KNCOSMBA also has a test/hush button that silences the unit for approximately 8 minutes. This allows you to test the unit without sounding the alarm. The Kidde KNCOSMBA also features tamper-resistant technology that deters removal of the unit from the wall or ceiling. The Kidde KNCOSMBA is UL certified and has a 10-year limited warranty. Number 2. Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. The first alert BRKSC 9120B hardwired smoke and carbon monoxide (CO) detector with battery backup protects your family during a power failure and can be interconnected with other BRK or first alert CO alarms and smoke detectors. This unit is designed to detect both smoke and carbon monoxide in a single device. The smoke detector uses photoelectric sensor technology to detect visible fire particles and alert you with an 85 decibel alarm. The CO detector alarms you if it detects high levels of carbon monoxide. The test hush feature silences the unit for approximately 8 minutes. This tamper-resistant technology deters removal of the unit from the wall or ceiling. The BRKSC 9120B is UL certified with a 10-year limited warranty. Number 3. Kidde Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. The Kidde FireX hardwire smoke and carbon monoxide alarm with battery backup and replacement alert is an essential part of any home safety plan. This combo smoke and CO detector uses photoelectric and electrochemical sensing technology to detect visible fire particles and carbon monoxide. The 85 decibel alarm alerts you to the presence of fire or CO. The Kidde FireX hardwire smoke and carbon monoxide alarm also features a test silence button, LED light, and replacement alert. The replacement alert is a chirp that notifies you when the unit needs to be replaced. The Kidde FireX hardwire smoke and carbon monoxide alarm is UL certified and comes with a 10-year limited warranty. Number 4. Kidde KNCOSMIBC Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. When it comes to protecting your home and family from fire and carbon monoxide, the Kidde KNCOSMIBC is a smart choice. This combination smoke and carbon monoxide alarm uses ionization sensor technology to detect invisible fire particles, and it also has an 85 decibel alarm to alert you of fire. Additionally, the Kidde KNCOSMIBC protects during a power failure as it operates on 2 AA batteries. And in the event of a false alarm, the test hush feature silences the unit for approximately 8 minutes. Plus, the tamper-resistant technology deters removal of the unit from the wall or ceiling. The Kidde KNCOSMIBC is UL certified and comes with a 10-year limited warranty. Number 5. Kidde P3010CU. The Kidde P3010CU is a smoke and carbon monoxide detector that uses ionization sensor technology to detect invisible fire particles and protect against power failures. The unit has a test hush feature that silences the alarm for approximately 8 minutes, and tamper-resistant technology that deters removal of the unit from the wall or ceiling. The Kidde P3010CU is UL certified and has a 10-year limited warranty. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this unbiased review. And please don't forget to subscribe us to get the news of upcoming reviews. Stay tuned.